The first question today we'll cover is why IoT. Okay. So to understand that, let's see what was given by Aston in the research published in RFID Journal in 1999. In this research paper, he talked about this particular technology. He says that if we had computers that knew everything, there was to know about things using data they gathered without any help from us. We would be able to track and count everything and greatly reduce waste, loss, and cost. So in this, it talking about the technology which can gather the information without the human intervention. We are talking about by gathering the information, can we track any object? Can we count that particular object? Or with that, we can reduce the waste, loss, or cost in different applications. So this is the vision given in this particular article. There are many other things that has been written, like would know when things needed replacing, repairing, and recalling, and whether they were fresh or past their best. Means, can we make the infrastructure in such a way so that uh, for any for any object, whether it is uh, let's say your automobile, whether it is a bridge or some sort of mechanical machines, can we find out, can we find out their status? They are working well, or they need some sort of repairing, or we have to replace that. It is a fresh one, or it has already passed its deadline, or it's uh, what we can say expiry date. So can we do that? So this was the vision given here. They also said that we need to empower computer with their own means of gathering information, so they can see, hear, smell the world from themselves in all its random glory. So they in that particular vision, they also said that can we empower a computer, or can we develop the computing device which can gather the information, which can see, which can hear, which can smell, means all the sensing power can be provided to the computing device so that it can visualize the world by itself. So is it possible? So that vision has been given by this particular article. That's why we are now, this vision is right now reality for us, for many of us, and many of us are working in this particular area. This is precisely what IoT platform does for us. It enables device object to observe, identify, and understand a situation or the surrounding without being dependent on human help. So without the human intervention, an object can do many things. That was the vision in this particular article. And the same is the concept of IoT.